Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid and draw. First, understand that a grid is a powerful tool for artists, especially when tackling intricate subjects. It breaks down a large image into many smaller, more manageable squares. This method ensures that your drawing maintains precise proportions and accurate scale, making the entire process much less daunting. You'll be amazed at how much easier it becomes to capture details when working square by square. To set up your grid, begin by measuring and marking equal intervals along all four edges of both your reference image and your drawing paper. For example, you might use 1-inch or 2-centimeter squares. Then, carefully connect these corresponding marks with very light pencil lines, creating a uniform grid. Remember to use a ruler for straight lines and a light pencil, perhaps a 2H, so the lines are easy to erase later without damaging your artwork. Now, with your grid in place, the drawing process becomes much simpler. Choose a starting square on your reference image and find its corresponding square on your drawing paper. Focus solely on the shapes, lines, and negative spaces within that single square. Lightly sketch what you see, then move to the next square. This method helps you break down complex forms into manageable segments, ensuring accuracy across your entire composition. Once you have transferred all the essential outlines using your grid, it is time for the refining stage. Gently erase all the grid lines from your drawing, being careful not to smudge your work. Now, you can begin to add shading, texture, and other details to give your artwork depth and dimension. Step back and review your piece from a distance, making any final adjustments to ensure everything looks just right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.